To change default browser app in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open Settings, select the notification panel, and enter Settings icon. Scroll down Settings screen, find Apps, and then select Apps. Tap Choose default apps. Choose which apps to use for making calls, sending messages, going to website, and more. Tap Choose default apps, and then select browser app. Select app you want to set as default browser app. For example, I want to use Chrome. Apps that give you access to the internet and display links that you tap. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.